Looking. These things are such a ripoff. You could do it. If I didn't have what I had, I would do it. But is this a QNAP? The QNAP, that's a valid station. The QNAP is a valid station. I do have 2 channels. I need to upgrade it. That costs money for the 4th channel. The 4th channel costs money. What's going on here? I broke it. Oh, it's down here. Yes. Look, you can have 12 channels. You spend a lot of money. You get 12 channels. You can look at it like that. I have 2 channel license. I might buy a 4 channel license soon. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. I'm pretty good at night. Yeah, I want to see how I did it. First of all my stuff is battery backup. That is the tune-up. Get the 4 drives in it and GTA stickers. I got the 4 drives, 4 terabyte each in a RAID array, so it's basically 8 terabytes with 8 terabytes copy in case the drives fail to survive, so I get it back. Well, that's a managed PoE switch. I kinda wanted this one, but I did not buy it. It's $90. So I get the cheaper unmanaged, which Amazon has raised the price. I got it for a little bit less. But this is the way I got in the Gear GS38P PoE switch, 53 watts total for 15.4 watts per port. Yes, so I can use 4 cameras total if I get the better license. And then it's all UPS protected, so when I lose the power it still stays running, because I lose the power a lot. So that's how I did it. And it works. You have to know your wiring. These things between the sheets, because if it goes very far, you do not have enough wattage for the cameras to work. So that is how. Some people give it very bad reviews, but a lot of people, they don't know anything about computers. So they give things bad reviews. So don't let the bad reviews get to your head. Same like the cameras and everything else. So it records on that runs all the freaking time. Battery backup, it'll run for like hours and hours and hours, even on battery backup. Probably close to about, I don't know, maybe 3 hours or so. By the time 3 hours are up, believe me, I'll have that on some sort of generator power. If it's more than 2 hours, 3 hours. So that is also very crucial. You want your system working if there is no power, in case someone like cuts your power and then decides to break in or something. So that's very whatever. That's my camera system, and I saw it. I told you the viewing of it. I showed you it, and this is my new channel and my new voice I use for the new year, which I probably won't use, but I think it's funny. I got to put this in the plug for the thing. It's my big tool. They're doing a lot of wiring and stuff. With Cat 6 cable, anyone have problems crimping Cat 6 cable? I have problems crimping this stuff. It's just very thick, and this is outdoor stuff. It has double jacket on it, but still I always screw up the Cat 6. I have problems crimping it all the time because the connectors are staggered. They go up and down, up and down, up and down. And those aren't shielded plugs. But that is how I did it, and it does work. And if I did it, anyone else can do it. And again, this is my new voice for this year. I hope you like it. We got the balance station, and it does work. Hold on. What is going on? I got the thing over here. Hold on. There we go. Right there. Get dates. I just dropped something. I had 2 channels though, but I took the other camera down because the camera mount broke on a cheap plastic. I'm getting another one apparently.